part of the curriculum. Okay. Pro. Okay. Parang, as I've said a while ago nga, educating the people, especially the young ones, no? The starting parang intermediate level from grade 5, parang grade 5 to 6, parang dapat aware na sila about sex. Pag sinabi mong sex, hindi naman ibig sabihin dito na sexual intercourse. Sex, ito yung gender ng tao o yung isa sa pinag-aaralan ng mga bata, yung malaman nila yung function ng reproductive system. Di ba tayo, pag sinabi mong sex, iba na kagad yung iniisip natin. Di ba? So, ang mahalaga lang, malaman ng bawat bata yung tamang paggamit ng salitang sex.
People are often too narrow-minded about sex education because they assume it will only take the thoughts of the youth. However, contrary to popular belief, sex education does not merely educate individuals the act of fertilization. Rather, it also involves bodily changes or puberty, reproductive health, sexual development, and population education.
Basta yan, kung tutuusin, hindi ka dapat mag-sex kung hindi ka wala kang asawa. Pinakamaganda talaga ang sex sa mag-asawa lang. Pag lumabas ka sa conjugal partnership ng mag-asawa, ang tawag na promiscuous ka na. Diyan mo makukuha yung mga sakit, mga STD, kasi hindi mo kabisado. Baka yung mami, nakapartner mo sa labas, may STD, nakuha niya sa kung kanino. Siyempre, pagka sa labas ka nakayari ng babae, malamang nayayari rin ng iba yan. Kaya pinakamaganda, sa mag-asawa lang ang sex. Miski saan mo tingin ang anggulo.
Effective sex education programs do not only educate people about their bodies and the transfer of sexually transmitted diseases, but also the different forms of contraception, as well as abstinence being the most effective contraceptive.
In my opinion, it will also lessen teenage yung pregnancies and premarital sexes, because once you are aware, you know the advantage and the disadvantages. And sometimes, if you are not aware of something, di ba, you are very curious and you tend to experiment and explore on that thing without limits. Kapag you are aware of that, you are aware of the advantages and the disadvantages, may mga hindrances. So, pagka familiar ka na sa isang bagay at alam mong makakasama, hindi mo gagawin. Kung alam mong makakabuti, yun lang ang gagawin mo. And that's one objective of sex education.
The World Health Organization reviewed evaluations of 47 sex education programs in the United States and other countries. In 15 studies, sex and HIV or AIDS education neither increase nor decrease sexual activity and rates of pregnancy and sexually transmitted infections. However, in 17 studies, HIV and/or sex education delayed the onset of sexual activity, reduced the number of sexual partners, and/or reduced unplanned pregnancies and STI rates.
Maaari po nitong mapigil ang mabilaki ng populasyon at mamulat po ang mga kabataan ukol sa mga consequences na pwede pong ihatid ng hindi tamang paggawa po ng sex.
Teaching youth about contraception, instruction, and HIV or AIDS can be effective in reducing sexual activity among adolescents. The numerous forms of contraception readily available to people are either natural or artificial in form. These contraceptives are only voluntarily provided to married couples and not to teens and children. However, comprehensive sex education programs often emphasize that abstinence is the best and most effective form of contraception, thus the possibility of experimentation is eradicated.
Sex education, nagbe-benefit to ng maraming tao kasi um, nagkakaroon sila ng knowledge about yung ways or yung mga things na may connection sa about sex education. And sex education is not limited only for adults, but it can also be taught to students like us.
The information given to students in elementary schools is a foundation and is expanded upon later during high school and eventually adulthood. Certainly, sexual education must be given in an age-appropriate form. Preteen pupils tend to be most curious during this age. Therefore, teaching them about their bodies is essential. It would be best if sex education would be integrated into the basic education curriculum of the intermediate level, the years when the minds of the youth are easily influenced. However, it is necessary that the concepts taught are factual and contain no other malicious interpretations. Sex education may very well be the solution to all our nation's woes. Through its proper implementation, people will become more aware, and thus the inflammation of our populace may eventually decrease. A smaller, more manageable population leads to less people who live in poverty. Aside from this, a smaller number of people allow the government to improve the quality of our lives.